Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. So in the last class we have discussed about, do you remember? Let me tell you, we have discussed about long and short. Long and short. Have you all practiced it? Only some of you have practiced. So, the next time, I want every one of you to practice every concept of this class. Okay? So, our today's topic is heavy and light. Heavy and light. So, do you know what is heavy and what is light? Tell me. Think of some examples. Okay. Let me show you one example. What is this? It's a stone. It's a black color stone and it's so heavy. Its weight is so heavy. Okay. Have you ever lifted a stone? Stones are heavy in weight, and while this is a piece of cotton. This is a piece of cotton which is too light. This is light and the stone is heavy. Light, heavy, heavy, light. Okay. So stones are heavy and cotton is light. Okay. So, and let me give you one more example. Look at this thing. It's a flashcard. And on this flashcard, there is a boy which is lifting a weight that is too heavy. Can you see this? Its weight is too heavy. And boy उसको उठा नहीं पा रहा है. जब हम किसी चीज को उठा नहीं पाते हैं तो वो क्या होती है? वो heavy होती है. Like in this picture, boy is lifting the weight, but the weight is too heavy. Boy उसको उठा नहीं पा रहा है. And if I turn the flashcard like this, यहाँ weight is too light. The weight is too light. Boy is able to pick up the weight. See, boy ने easily उठा लिया उसको, right? So this is light, and this is heavy. Heavy, light, light, heavy. Okay. Now let's start our today's class. Okay. So what is this? It's a picture of an elephant. An elephant is very heavy. See, elephant is very heavy. And here is a bunny rabbit. Here is a bunny rabbit. And rabbits are so light. Rabbits are very light in weight. Okay. So elephant says, I am heavy. But the bunny rabbit says, I am light. Bunny rabbit says, I am light. Okay. Now we will do this activity of heavy and light. We will put a tick mark on the heavy object and put a cross on light object. So let's start the activity. What is this? It's a bed. It's a bed. There is a bed in every room, right? In every bedroom, there is one bed like this in which you sleep at night, right? So it's a bed. And what do we have here? A chair. This is a chair. Can you tell me, chair is heavy or bed is heavy? Which is heavy and which is light? Can you tell me? Think of it. Bed is light. Bed is heavy. Chair is light. Yes, chair is light. And we can all lift a chair. But we cannot lift a bed. हम बेड उठा नहीं सकते हैं. But हम chair उठा सकते हैं. Right? So chair is light and bed is heavy. Okay? So we'll put a tick mark on bed because it is heavy, and put a cross on the chair because it is light. Okay. Next is a bicycle, and then here is a scooter. It's a bicycle. It's a scooter. Okay. So bicycle, we ride bicycle. Do you ride bicycle? Okay. And it's a scooter, but you cannot ride a scooter because your very small kids. Okay, so tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Of course, cycle is light and scooter is very heavy. So we'll put a tick mark on scooter because it is heavy, and put a cross on bicycle because it is light. Now next is pan and a spoon. Pan and a spoon. So pan is what? Pan is thing in which we cook something. Okay, pan is something in which we cook something, and this is a spoon from which we eat our meals. Okay, so tell me, pan is heavy or light? Pan is heavy, and spoon which is very light, because spoon you lift every day for eating your meals. Okay, whenever you eat rice, you lift a spoon and then you eat the rice, right? So spoon is light. We'll put a cross on the spoon and put a tick mark on the pan, because pan you cannot lift. Okay, only we use the pan to cook our meals, and our mother does that for you, right? Mother cooks yummy meals for you, right? Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of heavy and light. Heavy and light. Heavy वो होता है जो हम उठा नहीं सकते हैं, and light वो होता है जब easily उठा सकते हैं. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I will see you in the next class now. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning. Take care.